that we are going to protest.
If you have any protest, I
No, who told you that?
No, nobody told me, but you don't have
We have an appointment, yeah?
You have the appointment.
Yeah.
Yes. Then you talk to them.
Who said that we are going to appoint?
Yan kan?
Kan iwan kan
Kan Funswan, tulis pa kanong nagkisama sa Manus ngawi.
tangguan itu anak rakyat selama ya.